YouBodyCare. Okay, let's see what's in here. Instructions you can see for later. Body wash, Wander, you know. Okay, this one is Play. We have Play. I've been told I do that way too much, so might be using this one a lot. We have Clean. All right, self-explanatory, right on the label. You know, just for the beginners, I'm assuming. If you don't know what to go for, tells you on the bottle. Balance, yes, needs that in my life, especially how this year has went. Could use more balance. Going to be using this one. Awake. All right. Assuming this is good for in the morning, or if you have a test or have to get to work. Next, we have this pod. Open this up. Comes in this. You can place that right in there. Twist off this. The handle's here. The loofah feels really, really good. All right, we are in my bathroom now, and now it's time to break out the instructions and figure out how our pod works. Step 1 tells us to fill your pod with water above the screen. Place in holder for stability and storage. Right. Step 3, add your powder and mix any 3. I guess this is the customizing part. Balance, Clean, and the last one, we're gonna go with Play because that is a major part of my personality. Pour this in here. White powdery substance. It smells really good. Like you're in fresh clothes, like fresh linens or something. Play has like a lavender smell to it. All in there. Should be really, really clean by the time this is over. And shake it up. I think that should be good, don't you? I do too. All right. Told you I like to play. All right. Oh, wow. Already, right out the gate. Right out the gate. Okay. It smells so good. It's lathering really good, and that's one of my favorite things. Like, I like to feel like I'm actually sudsy in the shower. And then when you're done, you just place it right back in the pod. You can just place it somewhere, put it on your shower rack or wherever you want to put it. So it seems like it might be a perfect gift to give somebody, you know. It's nothing better than give a gift to somebody that they can customize themselves when they get it. So it's like you're giving them something that's allowing them to be a part of the gift itself. So I'm about to take me and my pod, my shower, which is right there, and really give this the full experience.